Hello everyone, I am Tejashvi and I am thrilled to have you join me today for our live stream. Hello and thank you for tuning in. It's great to see you, so many of you here. Today we are going to dive into Azure AI Fundamentals and I can't wait to share some valuable insights with you. In this live session, we will be covering Azure AI Fundamentals topic, so make sure you stick around until the end. Hello. Feel free to drop your questions in the chat and I will do my best to answer them as we go along. Let me know where you are watching from in the comments. I love seeing how globally our community is. This session is will about 40 minutes to 1 hour and we have a lot of exciting content lined up for you. We will start with fundamentals of Azure AI. So stay tuned for that. If you are experiencing any issues with the stream, try refreshing your browser and that should help. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. This helps more people find our content. Okay, session will start in just 1 minute. Stay tuned, guys. Let's interact in the chat section. All right, let's get started. First up, we are going to talk about what is Azure AI. Without any further ado, let's dive into the Azure AI fundamentals. Okay, I am okay. Let's talk about what is Azure AI. Azure AI is a suite of AI services offered by Microsoft on the Azure cloud platform. It enables developers and organizations to integrate AI into their applications with ease without needing deep expertise in AI. Azure Machine Learning, a platform for building, training, and developing machine learning models, and cognitive services, pre-built APIs for integrating capabilities like natural languages processing, vision, and speech recognition into apps, and applied AI services, scenario-specific services that simplify AI integration for specific business needs. And coming to recent developments in AI, first one was generative AI. Modern AI models such as GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, are capable for generating text. Okay, the full form of GPT is generative pre-trained transformer. I think many of you know are capable for generating test code and even images. Microsoft has integrated these models into various products like GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Designer, and Azure Open AI service. Okay, evolution of AI models. The evolution of languages models from GPT-1 to GPT-4 has led to models with increasingly larger data sets and more complex capabilities, including multimodal inputs and advanced applications in diverse fields such as healthcare, finance, and customer services. Responsible AI usage. The presentation also emphasizes the importance of using AI responsibly, highlighting the generative AI models are not truly intelligent, deterministic, or grounded. They require careful prompt engineering and validation to avoid inaccuracies or misleading outputs. Okay, coming to Azure OpenAI service, the Azure OpenAI service provides access to powerful AI models while ensuring enterprise level security, scalability, and compliance. It is a tool for developing AI driven applications that can handle various tasks like content generation, language translation, and data analysis. This presentation is ideal for introducing the basic of Azure AI, its components, recent advancements, and the ethical considerations that comes with using AI technologies. Azure AI Fundamentals is the foundational concept that provides an overview of Microsoft's AI services and platforms. Specifically, within the Azure ecosystem, here's a more detailed explanation. You can check the applications, application platform, scenario based services, customizable AI models, ML platforms. Um, what is all the hype about? Azure AI Fundamentals is designed to introduce and familiar individuals with the core AI services cloud platform. It covers the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning, providing insights into how these technologies can be applied in various industries. Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning is a cloud-based platform for training, deploying, uh, and managing learning models. It support the entire machine learning lifecycle from data preparation to model training, deployment, and monitoring. And coming to this slide, Microsoft all timeline. In June 2022, GitHub Copilot generally available. In October 2022, Microsoft Designer product launch. In Jan 2023, AVO AI service generally available. In Jan 2023, Microsoft extend partnership with OpenAI. In Feb 2023, new Bing and Edge powered by GPT-4. And in March 2023, ChatGPT and GPT-4 in AO AI services. Microsoft 365 Copilot, GitHub introduced Copilot X, and these are the timelines of Microsoft. And a bit of history, coming to history, in 1980s to 1990s, return of AI research and birth of new statistical models. In 2020, 2010 to 2015, modern assistants like Siri, Cortana, Google Assistant, and today generative AI is AI based on transformer and architecture. You can see detail view of history here. Okay. And coming to language models progression, how NN understands a sentence. HE 27, HA 24, TEA 30, AND 31, SHE 23, DRANK 20, NK 28, ICED 29, COFFEE 25, and dot also it takes as 26. First, it splits sentence into tokens and turns tokens into numbers. Here you can see 27, 24, 30, 31, 23, 28, 29, 25, and 26. 10 dimensional vector. Standardize the length of your embedded space. It standardizes the length of your embedded space by split sentence into tokens and turn tokens into numbers. And coming to this slide, train your models to learn the semantic weights of these relationships. She had coffee, not equal to she had strength. Semantic space. encode a sequence of words into a complex idea. It encodes she had a coffee and she had strength, and decode back into your desired input. This is the process. Compute with that idea in semantic space. And coming to features of automated ML, allows user to automatically build machine learners models by choosing the best algorithms and tuning it for performance. And coming to designer, a drag and drop interface for building machine learning models without writing code. And coming to MLOps, tools for operational machine learning, including version control, deployment pipeline, and monitoring. And coming to cognitive services purpose, a suite of pre-built APIs that enable developers to add AI capabilities such as vision, speech, language, and decision making to their applications. And coming to categories, vision services like computer vision, face, API, analyze visual data. And coming to speech, tools for converting speech to text, text to speech, and real time translation. And coming to languages, APIs for natural language processing, including test analytics, language understanding, LUIS, and translation. Decision services like personalizer and anomaly detector to make informed decisions based on data. And coming to Azure Applied AI services, purpose of these services are these are scenario based services that combine multiple cognitive services to address specific business needs. For example, Azure Cognitive Search, an AI powered search engine that can index and search structured and unstructured data from recognizer, extracts key test key value pairs and tables from documents. Metric advisor, a service for monitoring the performance of applications by detecting anomalies in time series data. And fourth one, Azure Open AI service. Purpose is of this service are provides access to open AI powerful models including GPT, means generative pre-trained transformer series. The service allows user to integrate AI models that can understand and generate natural language code and images into their applications. Our capabilities are text generation, generating human like text based on input prompts. And codex, what is meant by codex means translating natural language into code embedded applications like GitHub Copilot. And coming to DAL.E is created images from textual descriptions. And coming to key concepts of Azure AI, machine learning, the process of using algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to perform tasks without explicit instructions by learning from patterns and inferences from data. And second one was natural language processing, a subfield of AI focused on the interaction between computers and humans through natural languages. Azure AI provides tools for language understanding, translation, sentiments analysis, and more. And coming to computer vision, a field of AI that trains computer to interpret and make decisions based on a visual data. Azure Cognitive Services offers various APIs to analyze images and videos to recognize objects, faces, and test. And coming to responsible AI, ensuring that AI systems are designed and deployed in a way that is ethical, transparent, and accountable. Azure AI, including tools and guidelines for mitigating risks such as bias, ensuring data privacy, and preventing AI misuse. And coming to a transformer model. Mary already had coffee that morning, so she didn't accept a cup of iced coffee his colleague offered her. And coming to why didn't Mary accept the coffee? Recurrent NNS are based on windows of words, and the encoded parameters can be as smart as the sequence it seems. The bigger the window size, the most the cost of training, the higher the complexity and probability of errors. What's new in transformer model? Mary already had coffee that morning, so she didn't accept a cup of iced coffee his colleague offered her. Attention, let's deep in networks learn meaning without proximity. The transformer model is able to look at different combinations at the same time, leading to powerful encoders smarter and time or energy efficient. GPT model generations. I told you what is the full form of GPT earlier. That means generative pre-trained transformer. Um, Here, extended name of GPT-3, modern names TextEda 001, Text Babbage 001, Text Curie 001, Text DaVinci 001, and coming to GPT 3.5, these are the modern names Code DaVinci 002, Text DaVinci 002, Test DaVinci 003. And coming to codecs, these are the modern names Code Cushman 001, Code DaVinci 002. And coming to ChatGPT, GPT-35 Turbo, and GPT-4, GPT-4, GPT-4 32K. And billions of parameters, GPT-1 0.1b, GPT-2 1.5b, GPT-3 175b, GPT-4 100t. GPT-4 has more. And coming to key terms, extract the mailing address from this email. Hi John Doe, it was great to meet up at Bill earlier this week. I thought that AI platform that was greatly and I really enjoyed it. I appreciate that offer of the book. If you are okay, you can mail it to me at home and or 123 Microsoft way. Um, regard series holder. Um, Here, prompt text input that provides some content to the engine on what is expecting, and completing completion output that the model generates based on the prompts. And coming to token, partial or full words processed and produced by the GPT models. And OpenAI plus Microsoft. OpenAI means ensure that general intelligence AGI benefits humanity, and Microsoft empower every person and a organization on the planet to achieve more. Okay, coming to responsible AI, ensuring that AI systems are designed and deployed in a way that is ethical, transparent, and accountable. Azure AI includes tools and guidelines for mitigating risks such as bias, ensuring data privacy, and preventing AI misuse. And here you can see prompts and responses. How once wait. Prompts and responses. Here, the prompt was write a tagline for an ice cream shop. The response is we serve up smiles within every scoop. I am having trouble getting the Xbox to turn on. This is the prompt. The response is there are few things you can try to troubleshoot this issue. Uh, many many prompts are here, and for every prompt there is a response here. You can check. Okay, coming to applications and integrations. Azure AI services can be integrated into a worldwide range of applications across industries. Healthcare AI provide diagnostics, patient management system and personalized medicines, finance risk management, fraud detection, and customer service automation. Retail personalized shopping experience, inventory management, and demand forecasting. Manufacturing predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimizations. And coming to learning path and certifications, Microsoft offers the Azure AI Fundamental certifications for individuals who want to validate their foundational knowledge of AI and its implementation using Azure services. This certification covers basic AI concepts, Azure services for AI, and practical applications of AI in business scenarios. Coming to Azure AI Fundamentals is an essential stepping stone for anyone looking to explore the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning within the Azure Cloud App platform. It provides the foundational knowledge needed to leverage Azure powerful AI tools and services to build intelligent applications that can solve complex real world problems. Here you can see Microsoft Cloud Data Governance Analytics Operational Database, Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform. Azure deployed within your Azure subscription, secured by you, accessed only by you, and tied to your data sets and applications. And coming to enterprise grade security with role based access control, RPAC, and authentication. And coming to security network through private endpoints and VNS. Top use cases customers are innovating with summarization, product reviews, articles long from reports, efficient bot to human hands off with summary, insights from unstructured data, conversation AI, customer service bot, enterprise question and answers, end to end contact center solutions, faster software development, code generation and autocomplete, code documentation, refactoring, we're writing assistance, creative ideation and design, content writing assistance. Coming to knowledge mining, domain specific research, social media trend analysis, surface cross functional insight in enterprise. And next was Azure AI not equal to Azure AI open source. Let's start in the comment section for 2 minutes. Okay. Let's start. Azure AI and Azure Open AI services are distinct yet related offerings within Microsoft suites of AI services. They differ in scope, purpose, and the specific technologies they encompass. Here's why Azure AI is not the same as Azure Open services. First one was scope and breadth. Azure AI is an umbrella term that refers to the entire suite of artificial intelligence provided by Microsoft on its Azure cloud platform. It includes a wide range of AI technologies such as machine learning, cognitive services like speech recognition, computer vision, and natural language processing. Applied AI services like Azure Cognitive Search and Form Recognizer, and more. Azure AI is designed to cater to various AI needs across different industries, allowing business to integrate AI into their operations in many ways. And coming to Azure AI, Open AI service, this is a specific service within the broader Azure AI portfolio. Azure Open AI service provides access to OpenAI's powerful generative models such as GPT-3, GPT-4, Codex, and L.E. These models are particularly focused on natural languages processing, NLP, text generation, code generation, and image creation from text prompts. The service allows users to leverage these advanced models within their applications, but it is narrow in scope compared to the full Azure AI offering. And second was technological focus. In Azure AI encompasses a wide range of AI technologies and tools. For example, Azure Machine Learning focused on building, training, and deploying machine learning models. And next example was Cognitive Services provides pre-built APIs of for vision, speech, language, and decision making. And third example was Applied AI Services. Um, offers scenario-based solutions like Azure Cognitive Search and Form Recognizer that are designed for specific business problems. And coming to Azure AI open source in technological focus, specifically focused on providing access to generative AI models deployed by OpenAI. These models are particularly strong in tasks related to generating and understanding humans like tests, creating code, and generating images from test descriptions. The service is based on deep learning models like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, series, and DAL.E, which are trained on vast amount of data to perform a wide range of tasks within the domain of generative AI. And third was use cases. In Azure AI supports a broad range of use cases across industries. For example, healthcare. Using AI for diagnostic, patients management, and personalized treatment. Next example was finance, risk assessment, fraud detection, and customer service automation. And next example was retail, personalized shopping experience, demand forecasting, and inventory management. And next example for manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain and optimization. And coming to use cases of Azure AI, Open AI services, it tailored for specific use cases that involve natural language processing, code generations, and content creations. For example, text generation, creating content such as articles, blogs, or marketing copy. And next example was code generation, assisting developers in writing code by translating natural language instructions into code. For example, GitHub and Copilot. And coming to conversational AI, building chatbots that can engage in natural and dynamic conversations with users. And coming to creative content, generating images or networks based on text descriptions using models like DAL.E. And coming to fourth point, customization and flexibility. In Azure AI offers a high degree of flexibility and customization. For example, Azure Machine Learning allows you to build custom machine learning models tailored to your specific needs using a wide variety of algorithms and frameworks. And next example was cognitive services. Provides API that can be combined or customized according to the specific requirements of your application. And coming to Azure Open AI service, while it offers access to very powerful pre-trained models, the degree of customization is somewhat limited. To fine-tune these models for specific tasks, users primarily interact with the models through prompts and can adjust parameters like temperature and max tokens to influence the output, but they do not have the same level of control over the underlying models architectures as they would when building models from scratch using Azure machine learning. And coming to integration with other Azure AI services, Azure AI integrates seamlessly with the other Azure services such as um, coming to integrating with other Azure services. Here you can see the slide. Integrate seamlessly with other Azure services such as Azure Data Lake, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Power BI, providing a holistic platform for building, deploying, and scaling AI solutions across an organization, entire data and application infrastructure. Azure Open Services also integrates with other Azure services but is more focused solutions with advanced language models and generative AI capabilities. For example, it can be integrated with Azure Cognitive Search to provide enhanced um, search capabilities, or combined with Azure Bot services to create more sophisticated conversational agents. And coming to the topic why Azure AI is different from Azure Open AI source. Azure AI is a broad platform that covers a wide spectrum of AI services, including machine learning, cognitive services, and applied AI, designed to meet various AI needs across industries. On the other hand, Azure Open AI service is a specialized service within Azure AI that focus on providing access to Open AI state of the art generative AI model for natural language processing, code generation, and image creation. While Azure OpenAI service is a powerful tool within the Azure AI ecosystem, it is the just one part of the larger set of AI capabilities that Azure app offers. Thus, Azure AI and Azure OpenAI services are not equal. Rather, Azure OpenAI service is component of the broad Azure AI platform, each serving different purposes and catching to different aspects of artificial intelligence. Let's interact in the chat section for 2 minutes. Okay, let's start. Charting with your data using ChatGPT and Azure Search is powerful approach to creating applications that provide personalized and relevant response based on specific data source. This integration leverages the capabilities of Azure Open AI services, which includes models like ChatGPT combined with Azure Cognitive Search to query and retrieve relevant data from your organization's databases and documents. Here, how you can set up and use this combination. First one is understanding the components. Azure OpenAI service ChatGPT provides access to advanced language models like GPT 3.5 and or GPT-4. These models can generate human-like text-based or on input prompts, making them ideal for conversational AI applications. And coming to Azure AI, Azure Cognitive Search, an AI-powered search engine that indexes data from various sources such as databases, documents, and websites, and allows for complex queries to retrieve relevant information. Cognitive search can be used to find specific information within large datasets, making it a valuable tool for data-intensive application. And coming to how it works, when you combine ChatGPT with Azure Cognitive Search, the basic workflow look like using using query. This the user type a query or question in natural language. Pre-processing. The query is processed and additional context and instructions can be added before sending it to the AI model. And coming to search query. The query is also send to Azure Cognitive Search to retrieve relevant data from their indexing documents or databases. Data retrieval. Azure Cognitive Search returns the most relevant data based on the query. Contextualization. The retrieved data in the injected into the prompt, providing to ChatGPT, giving it the necessary context to generate a more accurate and relevant response. Coming to response generation, ChatGPT uses the context provided by the search results to generate a response tailored to the user's query. And coming to seventh output, the generated response is returned to the user, often with the references or criticalizations from the data that was searched. Setting up the integration. To create a chart with your data, data solution, you will need to configure both AI, Azure Cognitive Search, and Azure Open AI services, and then build an application that orchestrates the interaction between these services. Coming to step one, configure Azure Cognitive Search. Data indexing. Start by setting up Azure Cognitive Search service and indexing your data sources. This could include databases, PDF documents, websites, or any other data repositories that you want to make searchable. Skill sets and enrichment. Use skill sets to enrich the data during indexing, such as enriching key phrases, entities, or OCR form scanning documents. This ensures that the search service understands the context and structure of your data. And step two was set up Azure Open AI services, means ChatGPT as access and configuration. Ensures you have access to Azure Open AI source services. Configure the service to use the desired language models such as GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. Prompt engineering. In design prompts that will be sent to ChatGPT, the prompt use shows should be structured to include the user's query and any relevant context retrieved from Azure Cognitive Search. And step three was build the orchestrator. Application backend. Create a backend service that can access a orchestra, managing the flow of data. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. Create a backend service that acts as a orchestra, managing the flow of data between Azure Cognitive Search and ChatGPT. This service will take the user's input, query Azure Cognitive Search for with that input format and contextualize of search results. Construct the final prompt of ChatGPT, send the prompt to ChatGPT and receive the response. Return the response to the user optionally, including references to the source data. Coming to user interface. Coming to user interface. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. User interface. Develop a front-end interface such as a web app or chat box that allows user to interact with the system. The UI should be designed to handle conversational inputs and display responses in a user-friendly manner. And coming to best practices, contest management ensures that the contest provided to ChatGPT includes relevant search results from cognitive search. This allows the AI to generate accurate and contest-aware responses. Token limitations. Be mindful of token limitations in ChatGPT, especially when using large contests. When use efficiently and consider truncating or summarizing large amounts of data before injecting it into the prompt. And fifth examples use cases. Here are some scenarios where our integrating ChatGPT with Azure Cognitive Search could be practically powerful. Enterprise knowledge base. An organization could use this system to allow employees to query internal documents, manuals, and knowledgeable bases. This system would provide precise answers based on company data, improving efficiency and information accessibility. Customer support. A business could deploy a chatbot that uses this integration to answer customer inquiries by searching through product manuals, FAQs, and past support tickets, providing accurate and context specific responses. Legal and compliance. Law firms or compliance departments could use the tool to search through legal documents, case law, or regulations, helping professionals quickly find relevant information and provide informative responses. And coming to conclusion, uh, chatting with your data using ChatGPT and Azure Cognitive Search is a cutting edge way to leverage AI for powerful contextual aware interactions by combining the natural languages processing capabilities of ChatGPT with the robust search functionality of Azure Cognitive Search. You can create applications that provide users with accurate data driven responses based on your specific data sources. This approach is versatile and can be applied across various industries to enhance decision making, improve customers' experience, and streamline access to the information. And coming to our next topic, before that, let's interact in the chat section for 2 minutes. Okay, our next topic is using AI responsibly, social implications. And coming to using AI responsibly is a crucial as you artificial intelligence technologies because increasing integrated into various aspects of society, the social implications of AI extend beyond technical challenges, touching on ethical, legal, and societal dimensions that require careful considerations. Here's a detailed discussion on how you to AI responsible and the social implications involved. First one was understanding responsible. Uh, Responsible AI. Responsible AI refers to the practice of designing, developing, and deploying AI systems in a manner that is ethical, transparent, and accountable. It involves assuring that the AI systems are fair, reliable, safe, and respectful of users' rights. Responsible AI practices aims to mitigate risks such as bias, discrimination, privacy, violences, and other potential harms that AI system could once wait. Okay. And coming to key principles of responsive AI, first one was fairness. Avoiding bias, AI system can inherit bias from the data on which they are trained. This can be lead to discriminatory outcomes, particularly in sensitive areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Ensuring fairness involves using diverse and representative data sets, regularly auditing AI systems for bias, and implementing corrective measures with biases are detected. When coming to equal treatment, AI should treat all users and subsets equally regardless of race, gender, age, or other characteristics. This principle is vital in preventing AI from reinforcing social inequalities. And two was the transparency. Explainability. AI models, especially complex ones like deep neural networks, often functions as black boxes, making decisions without clear explanations. Responsible AI involves making these systems more understandable to users and stakeholders, ensuring they can comprehend how and why decisions are made. And coming to transparency in use, organizations should clearly communicate when and how AI is being used, particularly in decisions that impacts individual lives. Others build trust and allow users to understand the role AI plays in various processes. And coming to accountability, human oversight. Even as AI automates decision making processes, human oversight remains essential. These should be mechanisms in place to review and override AI decisions when necessary in scenarios. And coming to liability, clear guidelines and framework should be established to determine who is accountable when AI services cause harm. This includes defining responsibilities among developers, operators, and organizations using AI. And coming to privacy and security, data protection, AI systems often rely on large data sets, some of which may contain sensitive personal information. Ensuring that AI respects privacy involves implementing robust data protection measures, complying with regulations like GDPR, and minimizing the collection and use of personal data. And coming to security, AI systems must be secured from external threats such as hacking or unauthorized access. This includes protecting the integrity of AI models and the data they use from tampering or exploitation. And coming to social implications of AI. Social implications of AI. Employments and economic impact. Job displacement, one of the most significant social implications of AI, it is the potential to automate tasks leading to job displacement in various sectors. While AI can create new jobs and industries, the transition may disproportionately affect certain groups, particularly those in low skill or repetitive jobs. Economic inequality, the benefits of AI are not evenly distributed, which could exacerbate existing economic inequalities. Companies and individuals with access to AI technologies may gain significant advantages, finding the gap between them and those without access. And coming to ethical concerns, autonomy and design making, AI systems can influence or even make decisions that impact individuals' lives, from credit approvals to judgments. This raises ethical concerns about the autonomy of AI systems and the degree to which they should be allowed to make decisions independently to human input. Surveillance and control, AI technologies, particularly those used in surveillance, have raised concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse by governments or corporations to monitor and control populations. The use of AI in surveillance should be balanced with considerations for civil liberties. mm, and individual freedoms. And coming to cultures and social names, impact or on social interaction. AI driven technologies like chatbots, virtual assistants, and social media algorithms influence how people interact with each other. This can alter social norms, communication patterns, and even cultural practices, sometimes in ways that may not immediately appear apparent. Humanization of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, there is a risk of over humanizing AI systems, attributing them like with human like qualities such as emotions or consequences. This can lead to unrealistic expectations and misunderstandings about the capabilities and limitations of AI. And misinformation and manipulation, deep fakes and disinformation. AI technologies, particularly those related to content generation, can be used to create deep fakes or spread misinformation. These tools can manipulate public opinion, disrupt social cohesion, and undermine trust in media and institutions. And coming to algorithm manipulation, AI algorithms, especially those used in social media, can be designed to manipulate user behavior, often by exploiting cognitive biases. This raises ethical concerns about the manipulation of public opinion and the spread of polarizing content. And coming to effective regulation and governance policy frameworks, governments and international bodies are increasingly recognizing the need of regulations that govern the ethical use of AI. These frameworks should address issues such as data privacy, accountability, and transparency, while fostering innovations. Ethical AI guidelines. Organizations should adopt ethical AI guidelines that align with broader society values. These guidelines can help navigate the complex ethical landscape of AI deployment. Coming to using AI, a conclusion, using AI responsibly is essential to ensuring the benefits of AI are realized with while minimizing its potential harms. The social implications of AI are vast, touching on issues are fairness, transparency, privacy, employment, and ethics. By adhering to the principles of responsible AI and activity addressing the society challenges posted by AI, we can create a future where AI contributes positively to society, enhances human well being, and fosters greater equity and justice. Uh, Before giving the um, summary about today's topic, let's interact in the chat section for 2 minutes. Okay, let's go to the summary of the today's topic, Azure AI Fundamentals. Azure AI is a powerful suite of AI services and tools provided by Microsoft on its Azure cloud platform. It is designed to democratize access to AI, making it easier for developers, data scientists, and business to integrate sophisticated AI capabilities into their applications without requiring extensive knowledge in machine learning or artificial intelligence. Azure AI encompasses a broad range of services that cater to various AI needs, from pre-built cognitive services to customizable machine learning platforms and advanced AI models. Core components of Azure AI. Azure AI consists of several key components that work together to provide a comprehensive AI solutions. First one was Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning is a robust cloud-based platform designed for the entire machine learning lifecycle. It facilitates that building, training, deployment, and management of machine learning models. Some of its notable features includes automated machine learning, (AutoML). This feature automates the process of model link selection and hyperparameter tuning. It allows users to quickly accurate models by automating time consuming and complex tasks. AutoML is particularly useful for users who may not have deep expertise in machine learning but still needs to create effective models. And second, Azure ML Designer. This is a drag and drop interface that enables user to build machine learning pipelines without writing any code. It is ideal for both beginners and experienced data scientists who want to prototype models quickly and efficiently. And third, MLOps, and machine learning operations. Azure Machine Learning includes built-in tools for MLOps, which helps manage and automate the deployment, monitoring, and scaling of machine learning models in production. This ensures that models can be relatable and efficiently managed throughout the life cycle. And coming to Azure Cognitive Services. Azure Cognitive Services offers a collection of pre-built APIs that allow developers to integrate AI capabilities into their applications with ease. These services are categorized into four main types: vision, speech, language, and decision. Are coming to vision. This category includes the specific services like computer vision, face API, and video indexer. These services enables application to analyze and interpret visual data, such as recognizing the objects, identifying faces, and indexing video content. And coming to speech, the speech services include speech to text, text to speech, and real-time speech applications to interact with users through voice, making it possible to convert spoken language into text, generate speech from text, and translate spoken language in real time. And coming to language service provide tools for natural language processing. With this include text analytics for tasks such as sentiments analysis and key phrase action. Language understanding are for building custom language models and translator for language translation. Decision. The decision services includes Personalizer, which provides personalized content, recommendations, and anonymity detector, which identifies the unusual patterns in term service series beta. These services help businesses make informed decisions based on data insights. And coming to Azure Applied AI Services. Azure Applied AI Services are specialized scenario based services that combine multiple cognitive services to solve specific business challenges. For example, Azure Cognitive Search. This AI powerful search service allows you to index from and research both the structural and unstructured data. It provides a powerful way to retrieve relevant information from large datasets, making it easier for
business to find and utilize this data. From form recognizer automates the extraction of key value pairs and tables for documentation. These services is particularly useful for processing large volumes of forms, invoices, and receipts, allowing businesses or to digitize and analyze their documents efficiently. And coming to Metric Advisor is a service for monitoring the performance of application by detecting anonymous in time series data. It helps businesses to identify issues such as drops in user engagement or spikes in rates, allowing them to respond quickly to potential problem. And coming to Azure Open AI services. We discussed about Azure Open AI services in the before. Open AI service provide accesses to advanced AI models developed by OpenAI, includes the GPT generative pre-trained transformer series. These services allow user to integrate in powerful languages models into their applications, enabling them to generate text, translate languages, and even create images based on text descriptions. And coming to practical applications of Azure AI. Azure AI is designed to be highly versatile, and its services can be applied across various industries to address a wide range of business needs. Below are some practical applications of Azure AI. AI power from healthcare, AI powered diagnostics. AI Azure AI can be used to develop diagnostic tools that analyze medical images, detect diseases, and assist doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. For example, machine learning models can be trained to identify tumors in radiology images and predict patient outcomes based on historical data. And next example was patient management. Azure AI services can help services provided manage patient data more effectively, offering insights into patient histories, treatment plans, and potential risks. This can improve patient care and operational efficiency. And coming to personalized medicine, and this is also an example in healthcare. Um, let's come to another example in finance. uh, Risk assessment is the one of the example in finance. Financial institutes can use Azure machine learning to build models that access credit risk, identify potential defaults, and optimize lending decisions. These models can analyze large data sets to identify patterns and predict future behavior. And next was fraud detection. Azure Cognitive Services can be integrated into financial systems to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Anomaly and detection models can be identify unusual transactions and flag them for further investigation. And next was customer service automation. Azure AI languages services can be used to develop uh, chatbots and virtual assistants that provide customer supports, answer frequently asked questions, and guides users through financial processes. And another in retail we discussed before in demand forecasting, inventory management, and experiences. And coming to manufacturing and productive maintenance, quality control, support, supply chain optimization. And last one was responsible AI and ethical considerations. Fairness, ensuring that AI models do not perpetrate or amplify biases. Azure AI provides tools and guidelines for accessing and migrable bias in an AI systems, transparency, privacy, accountability. And we can get learning path and certificates from Microsoft for individuals and organizations looking for deeper their understanding of AI. Microsoft offers the Azure AI Fundamentals AI 900 certifications. This certification is designed for those who want to gain a fundamental foundational understanding of AI concepts and their implementation using Azure AI services. The certification covers the following key areas: introduction to AI, Azure AI services, responsible AI, practical applications. Azure AI fundamentals provide the essential knowledge and tools needed to understand and use AI services within the Azure ecosystem. By leveraging the capabilities of Azure AI, business can innovate, appropriate efficiency, and create new opportunities in an increasingly digital world. And this is the topic about fundamentals of AI. I think we discussed more and more here in today's live section. Thank you for all for joining today's live section. I hope you found it valuable. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. And I look forward to seeing in the next live stream. Thank you. Bye bye.